So I'm Jane,
I'm Sarah.
and we're the Yoga Posers. And today we're talking about tree pose. Today we're talking about downward facing dog, warrior two, Uttanasana. We're going to try to sell you some snake oil here.
Literally for Cobra. It's so perfect it ties
is.
in. We've been teaching yoga for decades and practicing for a combined 70 years. And we're
almost
yoga
a century.
therapists. Almost 3/4 of a
Almost
century. When the arms are alongside the body, it's hard to get the head of the arm bone back here. You don't have any leverage to get the bottom tips to push the heart forward, as Jane says. So by widening the elbows way out to the side, we start to train the muscles to move the shoulders.
What they want them to do. I love it. We're taking on plank pose.
And we've avoided it assiduously.
This is a pose that causes a lot of discomfort in the wrists, the shoulders, and it creates a lot of mental chatter because it's hard.
Common misalignments lead to these common complaints. And when you have these complaints, it is a signal that you're not optimally aligned in the pose. Yes, we all have to accept ourselves as we are. And yes, we have to drop the authoritarian uber structure. This is how a body should look when it's correct and good. And that's not what we're saying with alignment. What I'm interested in is, do you have pain? Can you improve your technique?
Right.
If you're sick of not understanding why you're in pain, some of these techniques can help you improve your mastery of how you access your body. This is empowering.
We want to become the best mechanics of our system, and our system is a really cool, high-end machine, and it's lived a long life, and it needs to be cared for on a regular basis, and some of the parts might be a little old, but we can work around it because we're smart.